Hey, this is Ryan from Arclight. You're watching Tech Tips.
I'm Dakota and I'm with the Arclight Dynamics Tech Support Team, and today I'm going to be talking about the importance of your air filtration system and minimizing moisture in your air. The importance of really clean and dry air is going to allow you to cut at full hypertherm cut chart speed, but as well as increase your cut quality and reduce the dross. This is our air filtration system that features a water separator, oil coalescing filter, desiccant drying trap, as well as a regulator to maintain air pressure. Let's take a look at the desiccant drying trap. When checking your desiccant beads, the most important thing is going to be checking the color. So when they're pink, they've been saturated with moisture and it's time for replacement. When you replace your desiccant beads, they'll be this nice blue color. You want to be mindful not to get any of the old beads in the threads here, so clean those out when you reinstall your desiccant trap. If your beads have turned pink and you don't have any replacements, you can pick up a gallon of these from multiple retailers. They're typically pretty cheap, about $40 for replacement, but these will help maintain that air quality and most importantly allow you to diagnose if you're getting moisture in your filtration system. Minimizing moisture in your air will allow you to adhere to the cut chart speed as well as increasing cut quality. Thanks for watching. I'm Dakota and this is your tip of the week.